years ago from an old timer in South Carolina, and I've been using it ever since. Basically, it is just making a series of U's or cursive E's or small loops or whatever you want to call it. In your mind's eye, you just try to make the same distance loop every time. And on a lap joint, you watch the top of the puddle or the side of the puddle that the edge of the metal is on, and you just kind of use it for a guideline and just barely let the puddle nip that corner just a little bit, and that'll give you a nice straight border on your weld and a better looking weld, because you won't be melting all that corner in and putting extra metal in to the weld size. Alright, the technique looks something like this. You need to kind of, in your mind's eye, intentionally loop the same distance each time. Alright, that was left to right. That was kind of pulling the puddle. This is going to be kind of pushing it a little bit. You can't see the puddle very well, but I just wanted to show you that there's not a lot of difference in the final result. Pushing, pulling. As long as you don't get carried away with the gun angle, as long as your stick out's good and your heat's good, you can make either one work. Been a lot of argument over pushing and pulling. They both work. Alright, so there are some differences in, some subtle differences in penetration and everything, but sometimes you have to weld right to left, sometimes